Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live in this lane.
Do you recognize me?
I'm not sure. I might be seeing you for the first time.
What do you do?
I have a small business.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Does your friend live here?
Yes, my friend lives here.
Do you like the people here?
Yes, I like the people here.
What kind of food do you like?
I like Chinese food.
Do you remember this place?
Yes, I remember this place.
Do you have any hobbies at home?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you watch IPL?
I do watch, but not regularly.
Which team do you support?
I support Punjab Kings.
Do you enjoy watching cricket matches?
Yes, I enjoy watching cricket matches.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I really enjoy traveling.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
Do you go to school or college?
I go to school.
When does school start?
School starts at 8 a.m.
What subjects do you have today?
I have English and math today.
Where is your next class?
My next class is in room 6.
Do you understand this?
Yes, I understand.
Can I borrow a pencil?
Sure, here you go.
Can I use the restroom?
Yes, you may.
How do I do this exercise?
Let me see it. I can help you.
Can I bring a snack to school?
Yes, you can bring a healthy snack.
Who do I sit with at lunch?
You can sit with your friends at lunch.
When is lunch break?
Lunch break is at 1 p.m.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice.
Do you want to eat lunch together?
Yes, I'd love to.
Do you have any after-school activities?
Yes, I have homework.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket and basketball.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play cricket.
Is there a library here?
Yes, the library is on the first floor.
Where is the principal's office?
The principal's office is on the third floor.
Can I see you after class?
Yes, I'm available after class.
What are your career goals?
I want to be a doctor.
When do classes end?
Classes end at 3:30 p.m.
Is there a gym on campus?
Yes, the gym is located in the ground floor.
Do we have a school uniform?
Yes, we wear our uniform.
Can I raise my hand?
Yes, please raise your hand if you have a question.
Is there a deadline for this assignment?
Yes, the assignment is due on Monday.
What should I study for the test?
You should study math.
Do you have a refrigerator?
Yes, I have a refrigerator.
What's in the fridge?
There is milk, juice, and vegetables in the fridge.
Can I get a glass of water?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Where is the toilet?
The toilet is in the bathroom.
Is there soap in the dispenser?
Yes, there is soap in the dispenser.
Can I wash my hands?
Yes, please go ahead.
What do you do in the morning?
I usually wake up, eat breakfast, and get ready for the day.
Can I help you with anything?
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Who cleans the house?
I clean the house myself.
Do you take out the trash?
Yes, I take out the trash every week.
How often do you vacuum?
I vacuum the carpets once a week.
Is there anything I can do to help clean?
You can help me dust the furniture, if you'd like.
Can I wash the dishes after dinner?
Yes, that would be a big help.
Can I use the phone?
Yes, of course. The phone is in the room.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.